In this video, we're going to look at properties of the dot product. So let's say you have vectors u, v, w, and a scalar c. So in the past, we would use vectors as this 1, 2, 3. But I'm going to talk to write vectors in this book. So now looking at the first property, if you have u dot v, that's the same as v dot u, because if you look at the vector look at the vector u would be this, dot it with v, so that will then give you this. So when you have one vector dot this vector, when you have one vector dot another one, this times this, that will then give you this, and then plus, and then this times this, that will then give you this. This times this, that will then give you this. So the whole thing here will be a number. It will be a number. Now let's look at this one here. So now we've got v dot u. So we've got v dot u. So it will be this times this, and then this times this, plus this times this. So now this whole thing here will be a number. So this thing here is this. This thing here is this. So you can see that this thing here is the same as this thing here, because 3 times 2 is the same as 2 times 3. So you know that this will be the same as this. This will be the same as this. And remember, u is just like a number. This is just a number. This is a number. This is a number. So these are just numbers. So you can see that this thing here will be the same as this. Now let's look at the second property. Okay, the second property. Looking at the second property, the first part will be a scalar times a vector. So we would need to look at this. So this thing here will be a scalar times the vector u, and then once you've done this, then dot it with v. So this thing here. So just looking at this bit here only. So let's multiply this first. So this times this. So hang on, let's start again. This times this will then give you this, and then this times this, that will then give you this, and then this times this, that will then give you this. So this whole thing here will then become this. Now dot it with the vector v. So now it will be this times this, that will then give you this. This times this, that will then give you this. This times this, that will then give you this. And all together, this would be a scalar. It would be a number, because c is like a number. This is like a number. This is like a number. So when they're being multiplied together, this whole thing is a number. This thing here is a number. So you're going to add 3 numbers together. It will give you a number. Okay, so looking at this, this thing here will then become this. So now let's look at this one here. So you've got a vector u. So you've got a vector u, and then you dot it, and then you dot it with a scalar. This with a real, well, let's do this. C times v, that will then be C times v, that will be C times v, that will be. Now dot the two together. So this times this, that will then give you this. This times this, that will then give you this. This times this, that will then give you this. So bear in mind that C is just a number. U is just a number, and then V is just a number. So you can see that this will be the same as this, then this will be the same as this, even though they're in different orders. C is in the middle here. But if this is a number, this is, well, these two are going to be the same. So now we've established that well, this thing here becomes this. This thing here becomes this. Well, these two are the same. Therefore, these two are the same. So now let's look at this. Dot the two vectors together first, and then times the scalar. So dot the two together first, and then times the scalar. So dotting the two together would then be this, and then this times this would then be this. this times this will then be this, and then one the whole thing times it by this scalar. So that would be this times this, this times this, this times this. That will then give you this. Well, is exactly the same as this. We'll continue in the next video. So we are currently here. So in the next video we will tackle property 3.